Welcome to Wild Horse Wednesdays at Gateway Bronco. In this week's episode, we take a look at Station 2 of our assembly line. This is where we add our body to the frame. Now, we start off with a Station 1 rolling chassis, fully inspected and approved to move forward. Next, we add our proprietary wiring harness, built on a production fixture for the perfect fit on every vehicle. Finally, as one of the last steps of this station, we add our power retractable steps before marrying the body to the frame for the final time. In next week's episode, we take a look at first startup of a Bronco in Station 3. If you'd like to learn more about our innovative approaches or proprietary designs, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining Wild Horse Wednesdays at Gateway Bronco.